Hey guys, I'm glad you are here. Welcome back to Self Love Club. And guys, today's video is again a very special video because it's about things I have to do in February. Today it's almost the end of the January because we are sitting on 30th January and I completed my January list. I am so happy, I'm so glad. Thanks to God, thanks to you guys to really encourage me to do all those things, and I am glad I did it. I enjoyed it so much. When I started this channel with the motivation of achieving small things, small happiness, I didn't knew it gonna turn out like this way. But it's so nice, it's amazing. I'm just enjoying the journey of my self-love. And today I am here with this beautiful list of February. And I'm gonna talk about the things I have to do in February one by one, why I chose this one, and what's the reason, what kind of imagination I'm going to bring with each of the topic I have decided. So without any delay, let me start it. So guys, in my list, the first thing is, wow, it's amazing, trying a sari and also learning how to drape it because I have never tried myself draping a sari. Though I wore sari in one of my friends and cousins wedding, but I didn't drape it on my own. I didn't wear it by my own, so I have to try it. And I brought one sari when I was coming here. I thought I'll learn how to drape, so now it's the best time to learn how to drape a sari, which I'm gonna do in my upcoming vlogs for sure in February. So yeah, that's a moment, guys, right? That's a self-love moment. Guys, second thing I have to do is reading a love story, and because this is the month of love, February, I thought to read this amazing novel by Tessa Belly, Dream Girl Drama. I bought this book on the airport when I was traveling, but I couldn't got chance to read it. So I guess February is the perfect month to read this perfect, amazing new love story by Tessa Bellet, and it's one of the best-selling New York Times. So I guess it's a right choice. I don't know how it's gonna be, but let me read it and share the story. Let's talk about the third one, which is again a very cute and amazing idea, which is wearing or trying a red outfit. Though in my childhood I used to love this color red. It was my favorite, one of my favorite, but it's been a while now. I have not wore any kind of red outfit. It's not even there in my wardrobe nowadays. I don't know why. Before last year I used to have one hoodie of red color, but that's also gone now. I have to try this red outfit, and with that outfit I'm gonna try a new cafe with one of my friend. So both of the goals gonna happen at one place, wearing a red outfit and trying a new cafe. Amazing, right? So that's what I have to do. Now let's jump to the fifth last one, is trying one new fun activity. Yes guys, I have to try any new fun activity right now. At this time, at this moment, I have no idea what kind of fun activity would it be, but I am sure if you're gonna come back to this video after 1 month, guys, you'll notice that I have already enjoyed that fun activity. Last month when I decided all those things, I didn't plan how it gonna go, but it went so nicely. So it's just an idea here, and when it is here, you already plan anything or something, it comes so beautifully in real life. So all these things I am saying right now, trying the sari, reading a love story, red outfit, trying a cafe, trying a fun activity, right now it's just an idea on the paper. But after 1 month, it will be in reality in a very beautiful way. Guys, that's the beauty of life. I don't know right now at this moment what are you thinking about. If you are overthinking, just think positively, just think something beautiful about yourself. Anyhow you have to think, right? So just think nice, think biggest things. So that's what I have thought to do in February, and I know I'm gonna achieve this goal in a very beautiful way. I'm glad God is with me, universe is with me, and they're helping me to achieve all my goals. And not just this, I am uploading every day a new self-love thing I am doing for myself, which is again amazing. Of course, it's not easy to every day try something new for yourself, but even if it's something of being slow down, just sipping a cup of tea alone, it's also an activity of self-love. So whom you are waiting for? And not just this, you're gonna see my new vlogs on skincare, dancing, yoga, and cooking. I'm not sure about dancing, but for sure cooking, yoga, skincare, and there could be a lot more other things. And guys, tomorrow I am planning to try henna on my hands. Oh, that's so amazing. I'm feeling so excited about it. Trying henna on my hands, though it's not allowed at my work, but I'm gonna try some cute stuff which is almost invisible. So just wait for that. Loving yourself. Don't forget, if you cannot love yourself and your cup of love isn't filled yet, you cannot give love to others, right? So just try to love yourself in any sort of way, even if it's sitting down with yourself, loving yourself in a gentle way. It's okay, it's fine. Just be gentle with yourself, just be softer with yourself, just love yourself. Guys, lastly, I didn't add it into my February to-do list, but I need to start doing skipping and I have to audit it as soon as possible. And there is one more order coming very soon, which I'm going to unbox in the next coming video. Bye guys, see ya.